Hello and welcome, it's Jelly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Today I'm going to attempt to hydro dip some Christmas decorations. So hydro dipping, my way of doing it is I've got spray paint and a jug of water. I will spray my colours into the water, and then I'm going to what they call hydro dip. So dip my baubles, and I've got a little rack here that I'm going to hang them on as soon as I've dipped them. So fingers crossed. I've got several colours and I've got it all ready. I'm going to first just try a pour inside one of the glass ones, just with a little bit of paint that I have left here. So I'll try that first because I don't need my respirator. But after that I'll stop talking because I'll put my respirator on. Because if you're using spray paint, you definitely need to be doing it outside or inside using a respirator and an extractor fan, which is what I have here. So wish me luck, people. So first of all, I'm just going to try this little pour, just a little bit of leftover chocolatey, caramelly goodness inside the whole thing. So I'm going to pour it all in, and then I'm going to swish it about. So it's just pouring my paint inside. I haven't tried this before, so I have no idea whether it'll work. I'm going to swish it. Ooh, look at that on that side. Ooh, because then you've got the glass, you don't need to varnish it or do anything to it. So I'll just take it to the top again. I mean, I can always well, the top has got to have a I'll show you, it's got a silver cap that fits on. So that looks awesome already. Look at that. You don't have to do nothing and it's sheeny, shiny gorgeousness. Wow. I haven't done it before this particular way with the baubles anyway. I have done it on glass. I must do that again and show you guys. So I'm just trying to tip the paint so it covers the whole of the inside of this bauble. That's all right if it comes out. I suppose it'd be good if I just got my, that's basically covered all the inside of the bauble. That's so cool. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can touch it straight away. Look, absolutely beautiful. So I am just going to leave it resting in this cup now to dry. So I don't know if I leave it like that, whether it will all run out or whether I need to leave it on its side. I will try just, let me wipe my cup. I'm just going to wipe the lip of the cup. So if I just sit my bauble like that, I'll put it aside. But that's really perfect because you haven't got to put a gloss coating or anything on that. It's already there. So that was a cool thing straight off. There you go. I learned something new there. There's my jug of water. I hope you can see what I'm about to do. I think you can. So my jug of water. I'm going to put my mask on, so I'm going to stop talking. So as you can see, the job is to spray the spray cans of paint just on top of the water, and of course it sits on top of the water because it's oil, and you just dip those, whatever you want to dip, whether it be the Christmas baubles, you can dip pretty much anything, I think, plastic, glass, and that's hydro dipping, so the colour just clings straight away to that outer surface. All I did really to prepare the outer surface was just to wipe over with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure the surface had no waxy or fingerprints that might stop it from the paint to adhering. So as simple as that, but definitely either do this outside or really well ventilated area, because it is, you know, toxic to breathe in those fumes for sure, and to wear a respirator mask is the best thing to do. So what I'm doing now is I'm just mixing a bit more of that pre-made pouring paint into a container to pour into these other baubles. So there's, you know, hydro dipped baubles, and there is acrylic painted one. So what I'm doing is, like I did on the very first one, is I'm going to pour the paint inside the clear bauble, because it's I mean, it was really surprising to me that, of course, that when it's swished around on the inside of the clear plastic, it leaves a lovely effect on the when you're looking at it on the outside, and it's already pre-coated. It's already got the shiny protection of the plastic, so it's a great way to do this. At yeah, just see what you let me know what you think about this one. So just carefully tipping it into the hole at the top. I am actually trying to do like little rings, so you know it's not just the paint going in a big blob. Hopefully it'll show some kind of nice effect when I hold it up to show you what it looks like on the outside of the bauble. And the next thing is to literally just roll it around in there so it's covering. Look at that. Oh, so nice. It looks so much nicer actually in person than it does here looking at it. So you're just tilting it all over the inside of that bauble, and look, the outside's finished, all nice and glossy because it's the plastic. So you can't get no harder wearing than that. So when it's left to dry on the inside and you put the cap back on, it's all done beautifully. You can absolutely do a little name tag or something to give somebody a special if you've got a cry cut machine, or scan and cut, that you can put some embellishment on the outside and make it really personal. But yeah, I loved doing these. It was so much fun. So showing you the first one that I did, the creamy caramel, it's actually really sparkly. So I was so excited about doing these. I just wanted to continue on. So yeah, very happy with those. Happy Jane. And now for the second one. This one has got more blue and gold in it. So excited about these. I just absolutely love them. I love doing them and I love the end results. I hope you like them too. Now for the next one. So I've got lots of baubles painted now and they all look gorgeous. As you can see, they're gorgeous. I mean, can't see the hydro dip ones so well there, but you will in the photos at the end. So I'm really happy with those. So I'll leave them there. I've left them there to dry. You can either dip them in a coat of resin, or you can just wipe over with the gloss on the hydro dip one. But on the other ones, they need absolutely nothing, because look how shiny they are. Just gorgeous. So you just leave them to dry with the lid off, and then when they're fully dry, just put the top back on them ready to hang. So there you go. Happy Jen.
You enjoyed that? And talk tomorrow. Bye for now. Look, come on, see you